Here's how to take a screenshot on iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A screenshot lets you capture what's on your screen, like messages, photos, or app pages. Press the side button and the volume up button at the same time. Release quickly. You'll see a preview in the bottom left corner. The screenshot is saved automatically to the Photos app. Press the Home button and the Power button at the same time, then release. Go to Settings, Accessibility, then tap Touch. Turn on AssistiveTouch. Tap the AssistiveTouch button, then tap Screenshot. Your screen is captured. Go to Settings, Accessibility, then tap Touch and back tap. Choose Double Tap or Triple Tap and select Screenshot. Tap the back of your iPhone to take a screenshot. Tap the preview to crop, draw, or share your screenshot instantly. Make sure buttons aren't damaged and accessibility features are enabled correctly. All screenshots are saved in Photos and Screenshots album. And that's it. That's how you take a screenshot on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.